The shoebill, also called the whale-bill. These birds are known for their slow movements, creating loud sounds with their shoe-like beaks. They are endemic to tropical East Africa, and they are found in South Sudan, Zambia, Congo, Rwanda, Uganda, Tanzania, and Kenya. The shoebill mostly feed on the lungfish, the eel, the catfish, the Nile monitor lizards, snakes, and baby crocodiles. This bird can grow to a height ranging between 110 to 140 centimeters tall, with the wingspan spreading up to 260 centimeters long. The shoebill can weigh up to 7 kilograms and can live for 36 years.